If you want to take a long screenshot on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can open a page or a website where you can scroll down. For example, I'm gonna use the Google Feed page on the home screen. And now over here, you can use the three-finger gesture in order to capture that long screenshot. So if you press and hold three fingers on the screen, and then once you activate this layout, you want to swipe actually all the way down, and then as you can see, the phone is trying to capture the scrolling screenshot. Besides that, another way to capture a scrolling screenshot is by using Control Center or Quick Settings. And if you find the screenshot button, which might be also on another page, you can tap on the screenshot text in order to find the scrolling screenshot option. So you can activate the scrolling screenshot just like that as well. Of course, the phone starts scrolling down by itself, but you can also swipe by yourself manually, and you can capture a scrolling screenshot like that. And besides that, the gesture, of course, can be enabled or disabled, but I'm gonna mention that in a second, because one more thing that is worth mentioning is that if you capture a full screenshot, let's say I'm gonna use the three-finger swipe down gesture, then over here on the left side we have the scroll option that also allows you to capture a scrolling screenshot. So as you can see, plenty of ways to start capturing a scrolling screenshot. Now, speaking of the gesture, if the three-fingered press and hold gesture doesn't work for you, you want to open Settings and go to Accessibility and Convenience, and then over here proceed to the screenshot menu. Now over here we need to make sure that three-finger touch and hold option is enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.